I'm out here today painting the Chrysler 300 with my portable spray boot, Hnjoytoys. I must say this is a pretty good boot. I've painted in here now probably about, I think, 4 or 5 times now. And each time it's come out with amazing results. I really must say. Painted Chrysler silver metallic. Let's come around the front here. Got it tied off a little bit today because it's windy. It's windy today, so it's tied off a little bit, but it's kind of hard to tell, hard to see right now, but it's looking pretty good right now. It's got your vents, your filtration system on both sides of the boot, which is nice. Let's see if I can walk around. I don't want to go inside because I don't have my mask on right now and still fumes inside, and I try to protect myself as much as possible. But right there along the back wall, I don't know if you can see, sorry for a lot of movement there, but there's also filtration systems also in the back. There's 2. So it breathes very well. As you can see, it's Chrysler silver metallic. Looking good so far. I will show you the end results once I'm finished.